Welcome back, creatives. Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA classes, and I'm here to show you how to draw an adorable ice cream bear sundae. We're going to start with the boat of our ice cream sundae, which is a curve that comes across the very bottom of our page and goes right off the edge. And we're going to add the scoop of our ice cream, which will become our bear's head, right in the middle. We're going to give our bear some ears, some rainbow shapes on top of its head. And we're ready to give it some eyeballs. I love big, kooky animal eyes. I just think they're fun. The challenge is always getting them the same size. If you have circle tracers, you can use that, but it's not necessary. The world is imperfect, so are animals. Our eyes aren't necessarily all the same sizes. I like to color them in a little bit so my animal doesn't look like it's zombified. And I like to add eyelashes. And we're ready to add the details of its little face. Now they have this curved section that shows that their nose and mouth are a little forward. So we're gonna add a little curve there. And then its cute little nose. This is an oval shape. I'm gonna line down to its mouth. We can't see its mouth, it's under the bowl or the boat of our ice cream. For our cherry on top, we're gonna do a rounded shape with an opening at the top. We're gonna close that with a letter C. And then we'll add our stem in there. That gives our cherry some dimension and makes that look like it's hollowed out there and deeper. Now comes the fun part, decorating your ice cream bear, adding hot fudge, sprinkles, whatever you can think of. We start with drippy, fudge-like. I'm gonna do little round sprinkles. Could add chocolate chips in there, cookie dough bites. Really anything you can think of. And we're ready for our spoon. Whichever side you have more room on, go ahead and use that. Our brains are not going to be perfectly symmetrical, so you'll have one side that looks like this is where the spoon will go. We're going to kind of create the bottom of our spoon, a long, thin oval, and then come up to a handle. You can add details onto your spoon. Maybe just add like a little line across there that will have a stripe on it. You could add a reflection line. And that is your super cute ice cream bear sundae. I hope you had fun with that. Be sure to stick around for part 2 of this drawing where we'll go through and outline everything one more time and make sure it's perfect.